Hello, subscribers, followers, returning clients, new watchers. Welcome sa isang timeless reading. Dito titignan natin kung ano ang mag-shift or magbabago sa inyo. So whether you're watching this in 1 month from now, a year from now, this reading may resonate with you. So pick a pile reading, pipili kayo from group 1, group 2, and group 3. Ipopost ko yung timestamp sa comment section. So, wag niyo i-overthink kung anong pile ang pipiliin nyo. Just pick the pile that calls to you. Also, take what resonates. Some messages may be for you. Some messages may be for others. Hello, group number 1. This is your pile. This is your reading. Again, take what resonates. Some messages may be for you. Some for others. Kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe or follow sa page, I would appreciate it. So, titignan natin kung ano ang mag-shift na energy sa inyo ngayon. Anong pagbabagong paparating. Spend time with animals. Vegetarian. A new way of eating gives you more energy, greater health, clarity, and stronger manifestation abilities. Okay. So, ayan, para makita ang card. Spend time with animals. Okay. So, ang nakikita ko rito, ang current energy nyo is unhealthy kayo. Unhealthy physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Maring na-overwork kayo. Sobra-sobrang work responsibilities. You have been focusing your energy towards pursuits, pero hindi nyo na binibigyan ang sarili nyo ng pahinga. And some of you have pets, I see. May whether cat or dog, bird, nane-neglect nyo na sila. Hindi nyo na sila nabibigyan ng pansin. So, importante na maglaan rin kayo ng oras sa kanila kasi magandang stress reliever din ang pets eh. Speaking from experience. Let's see. This card for current energy pa. The Hierophant. Okay. Tigas ng ulo nyo, sabi ng card nito. Ang tigas ng ulo nyo. So, your guides, your angels, the people around you, whether loved ones, friends, or your partner, is telling you na you have to stop, take a rest, breathe, and give yourself some space. So, nakikita ko, kayo yung type of person kasi na hindi nyo alam magpahinga or feeling nyo hindi kayo worthy kapag hindi kayo busy, pag hindi kayo nag-work. Like, you feel valued or you value yourself if you are busy or if you are productive. So, okay naman na maging productive, pero keep it healthy naman. Keep it healthy. Make sure na inaalagaan nyo rin ang sarili nyo kasi di ba nga, health is wealth. Dapat pinapahalagan natin ito kapag napabayaan natin ang health. Mas lalo tayong hindi magiging productive in the future. Kasi may mga sakit tayong nararanasan. So, break away from unhealthy work habits. Iwasan nyo yung overeating or sobrang konti ng kinakain. Yung sa mga nag-work from home, dapat lakad-lakad rin, gumalaw-galaw para mag-circulate yung dugo sa legs. Aside from physically, mayroon sa inyo na masyadong nilalapitan for help, whether financial help or emotional help. Kasi people see you as a mentor at nilalapitan kayo for advice. Pero, nasusobrahan nila to the point na ikaw yung nade-drain or nahahawaan ka ng negative energy nila. Nasasalo mo yung negativity nila. So, itong vegetarian kasi sinasabi niya na mag-establish ka rin ng boundaries na healthy para sa'yo, para sa emotional well-being mo. Then, what will happen? with these energy shifts. 8 of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, 9 of Wands. Okay. Wow. So, based sa cards na ito, I see na you have imposed restrictions upon yourself. Kasi nga, di ba, overwork ka na overwork. Ang mindset nyo siguro is, mag-work ako ng 12 hours ngayon para mapansin ako ng team lead namin. O kaya, kailangan ko matapos itong creative project ko in like this week when you can do it in 1 month naman. So, magkakaroon kayo ng clarity. Kasi makaka-experience kayo ng burnout eh. I see na all of this hard work will lead to burnout. At marirealize nyo, you will question yourself. What am I doing this for? Like, nasusobrahan ko na ba? Or tama lang ba itong ino-overwork ko ang katawan ko, ino-overuse ko ang katawan ko? So, these energy shifts will lead you into clarity na marirealize ninyo na kailangan nyo rin makipaghalubilo sa mga loved ones nyo. You need hobbies, you need to spend time with animals, you need to play para mabalanse ninyo yung work at saka life. Okay. You're too strict on yourselves that you forget to enjoy life. Itandaan nyo guys na what is life if you can't, anong saying na yun? What is life if you can't live it to the fullest, diba? Kaya tayo nag-work, kaya tayo nag-iipon is para ma-enjoy natin yung life natin. Okay, so alagaan nyo ang sarili ninyo, whether physically or emotionally or spiritually. So, ayun, take what resonates and sana mag-subscribe kayo or follow the page. You can also book a reading dun sa stellarwitchery.com. Our website is live. So, bye. Hello, group number 2. This message is for you. So, again, take what resonates. Chinek ko lang kung andyan yung card. Okay, take what resonates. And some messages may be for you. Some messages may be for others. If you want to book a reading, pwede po kayo pumunta sa stellarwitchery.com or sa Facebook page. Nakalink dyan sa description. So, start natin. Ano ang pagbabagong paparating sa inyo ngayon? How will your energy shift? So, this is a timeless reading. Whether you're watching a month from now, pwede ito mag-resonate sa'yo. Watch a movie. Oops. Admit your true feelings to yourself. Be honest with yourself. Only you know what it is that you truly desire. And then itong card sa likod. 4 current energies. Current situation. 10 of Wands. Okay. 10 of Wands. You are... pareho kayo ng group 1 na nag-overwork din. Grabe. Ngayon, for your case, nag-overwork kayo. But I see na you burden yourself or you take up too much responsibility for the sake of others. Maaring kayo ang breadwinner ng family. Maaring kayo ang inaasahan sa trabaho. Inaasahan sa trabaho or kayo yung responsible sa pagpapagamot or pagsagot ng gamot ng isang family member or loved one. So, I see na you guys are very perseverant. Kinakaya nyo yung mga challenges na dumarating sa inyo. Kahit na pagod na kayo, kahit na ang daming nadadagdag na responsibilities is go lang kayo ng go. Accept lang kayo ng accept ng responsibilities. For some of you, maaring mga employees na nagte-take up ng overtime kahit na pagod na. For those in a relationship, maaring marami kayong problema ngayon pero hindi nyo sinasabi sa partner nyo or hindi nyo inaamin sa partner nyo. Yun nga, admit your true feelings to yourself. I see na ayaw nyo aminin na hindi nyo kaya. Kasi kapag hindi nyo kaya, it makes you feel like useless kayo or nafe-feel nyo na worthless kayo. You know, it's okay to admit kung hindi nyo kaya or kung pagod kayo. Yan nga. You need to, you need to rest dun sa watch a movie. Ang nafe-feel ko rito is yung you guys need to relax din. You need to savor the moment and make memories din. Kasi kaka-overwork nyo, hindi nyo na na-enjoy yung life nyo. Halos same sa group 1 na you guys need to enjoy o kaya at least be open to the fact na kailangan nyo rin humingi ng tulong sa ibang tao. Maaring kayo ay nagpapaka-main character or feel nyo kayo ang main character sa movie, nakakalimutan nyo na may supporting characters sa paligid ninyo that you can ask help from. Don't be afraid to admit na hindi nyo kaya. Maaring, yun nga, for example, kayo ang sumasagot sa gamot ng isang family member. Kung may mga kapatid pa kayo, kailangan nyo rin humingi ng tulong sa kanila. Huwag nyo kunin lahat ng responsibility o kaya may partner na kayo or may spouse kayo. Kung hindi nyo kaya, sabihin nyo sa kanya. Baka willing din siyang tumulong sa inyo sa pag-alaga ng baby or paghahanap din ng work. So, what will this energy lead into? Ace of Cups, Two of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. Okay. What will this lead to? Ang nakukuha ko rito is if you don't change or if you don't admit ang iyong shortcomings or ang inyong weaknesses, is eventually it will take a toll on you physically and emotionally. Maring mag-lead it into a breakdown or maring mag-breakdown kayo kasi sa sobrang dami ng problema. I also see na maapektuhan ng relationships nyo with other people. Kasi itong pag-ako nyo ng responsibilities or pagkuha nyo ng lahat ng responsibilities ay maaring maging offensive sa ibang tao. For example, your partner. Naghihintay siya na humingi ka ng tulong sa kanya. O willing naman siyang tumulong sa'yo, hinihintay niya lang yung go signal mo. So, maaring maisip niya na mababa ang tingin mo sa kanya, hindi mo siya maasahan. Yun ang mafe-feel niya kapag hindi ka humingi ng tulong sa kanya. So, ask help. O kaya, sa siblings ninyo, like, hindi sila nagbibigay ng tulong sa'yo kasi hindi mo sila hinihingian ng tulong. Maaring isipin nila na minamaliit mo sila. Okay? So, you have to shift this energy kasi if you don't, wala rin mangyayari. May stuck ka lang dyan. Hindi mo makakamit yung goals mo kung hindi ka humingi ng tulong. Okay? I see na people are sensing your energy na hirap ka naman. You just need to communicate. Okay? So, ayan, group number 2. I hope na this message is helpful for you. Again, take what resonates. Some messages may be for you, some for others. And again, subscribe sa channel and book a reading if you want dun sa website or Facebook page namin nasa description. Hello, group number 3. This message is for you. Take what resonates. Titingnan natin kung anong energy mo ngayon at kung anong pagbabago ang paparating sa inyo. Where is your energy heading towards or shifting to? Sound healing, cleansing, pregnancy. The birth of a child brings great blessings to you and the world. And itong last card for current energy, the Emperor. Well, very stable. You guys are very well put together ngayon. Nakikita ko sa energy ninyo. Though, I see na you guys also want new beginnings, new changes, You want renewal. You want new energy into your life. Kasi may feeling of stagnation akong nasa-sense. Like, hindi kayo satisfied sa kalagayan nyo ngayon. Though, maganda naman ang kalagayan nyo ngayon eh. May stable job. Ang nakikita ko, stable ang finances. Sakto lang. Stable ang family life. Though, sa stability na yun, you feel like hindi kayo nag-grow. You're looking for more opportunities to advance and more things to look forward to. So, ang nakikita ko rito is you guys will shift your energy towards focusing on how you can improve your life. Kasi some of you may be questioning or asking yourselves, hanggang dito na lang ba ako? Or may mararating pa ba akong mas maganda? This is a sign na makakamit nyo yun ito sa pregnancy. Kasi new beginning ito eh. May paparating tsaka growth. Diba? Nag-grow yung baby. So, whether it's a creative project, a side hustle, advancement sa career, or a new baby sa relationship or partnership ninyo ng husband or boyfriend ninyo or girlfriend, is may advancement ako nakikita. I think maganda rin na para sa inyo na mag-cleanse or yung sound cleansing. Use nyo yung bowl. This can help you clear out blockages and hindrances to welcome new energy that will help you in attaining new career paths or new blessings into your home or love life. So, ano mangyayari dito sa pag-focus or pag-shift ng energy ninyo? Four of Wands. Interesting kasi pareho itong 4. Pakita ko sa inyo. Four of Wands and the number 4. Kasi ang 4 ay stability. Or stability. Kung may isa pang 4, wow. Okay, 3 of Cups in reverse. Queen of Cups. Wow. May doubts kayo. You guys are also scared of taking the leap or making changes kasi nga nasa comfort zone na kayo eh. Happy na kayo sa life nyo. You may be thinking na greedy kayo or ungrateful kayo kasi you're asking for more. Though it's human nature naman to strive for more. Wag lang yung sobra-sobra. So if you've been stagnant or feeling stagnant for a while, okay lang naman na mag-grow or mag-advance kasi mas maganda yung humahanap ka ng ways para i-improve ang sarili mo. So with this energy, kailangan planado yung mga steps nyo. Kunwari, gusto nyong mag-advance ng career or position, dapat meron kayong actionable plan. Like, ano yung gagawin mo? Pag-isipan ninyo kung ano yung gagawin ninyo para ma-attain itong career advancement na ito. Like, isipin nyo kung anong responsibilities ka dapat mag-focus, anong skills ang kailangan mo para maging worthy of a leader. Kailangan mo bang i-develop ang leadership skills mo? Kailangan mo bang matuto ng ganitong software or skill? And for those in love, for example, you want to take the next step. Kunwari, gusto nyong lumipat ng bahay, gusto nyo mag-abroad, gusto nyo magdagdag ng family member, kailangan pag-usapan nyo muna. Hindi lang ikaw yung magde-decide eh. Kasi, kumbaga, kayo yung pillar ng family. Pillar 1, pillar 2. Dapat pareho kayong aligned. Kasi kung ikaw lang ang umaangat, tas hindi pa ready yung partner mo, eh tabingi yan. Hindi yan stable, hindi kayo magkakasundo. So pag-usapan ninyo mabuti, dapat magkaroon kayo ng compromise. Okay? There are doubts, I see doubts, emotional doubts. Dapat ready kayo. If you want to advance, You have to be mentally and emotionally ready. Okay? And again, communicate nyo yung needs nyo. Like doon sa work or sa business. I-communicate nyo sa team lead ninyo na gusto nyo mag-grow. Pero kailangan nyo ng help na mag-grow. Tanungin mo kung ano yung kailangan na responsibilities na matutunan, ano yung skills na hinahanap nila. For businesses, mga gustong magdagdag ng branch or magdagdag ng produkto sa kanilang store, do your research. Make sure na itetest mo muna yung mga produkto at yung plano mo bago mo i-execute. Okay. So that is it. Group free, take what resonates. Subscribe sa channel, like the page. You can book a reading sa stellarwitchery.com. And ayun, I hope this reading was helpful to you.